What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a complete beginner affiliate marketing guide that you can use to make your first sale online in less than 24 hours. Now this tutorial is designed for complete beginners, okay? If you already have some experience with affiliate marketing, or if you have tried some of my other methods, this may not be the guide exactly for you, because it's going to be designed for complete beginners who never made any money online and are looking to do so. But if you're going to watch through, there's possibility you can find some value in it anyway. Now this guide will not make you quit your job in a week or so. It's not designed to do that, but what it is going to do is show you the ropes so you know how to start doing affiliate marketing online and maybe get your first sale in just a couple of hours. So just go ahead and watch it until the end, then just go out there, put it to work for yourself and start seeing some real results. But before we get started, just make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and to stay tuned for more money making content, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new video I can notify you immediately. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner and have literally zero idea how to start affiliate marketing, what you want to do first, you need to grab yourself an affiliate offer that you can promote. Now the best way to do that is just go to Google and you want to search for clickbank.com. Just go to ClickBank, and what you want to do here is sign up for your free account. Now if you're going to be here for the first time, you may want to be enticed to click on this start here button, but I wouldn't recommend that. To save you a couple of minutes of your precious time, just simply click on login right here and just go ahead and use this button to create your account completely for free. That way you will skip this annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers. Now pretty much for some reason, if you don't want to be using ClickBank for this, what you can also do is go ahead and search for Digistore24, for example, which is another great affiliate marketplace that you can use, or you can use warriorplus.com. Now pretty much the entire difference between Warrior Plus, Digistore and ClickBank is within the offers that they are containing. ClickBank and Digistore are going to have some affiliate offers in every niche out there, for example like weight loss, dating and relationships, or even something like woodworking, for example. But if you're going to use Warrior Plus for this, you will find mostly financial methods, how to make money online methods, and everything related to finance. So pretty much decide on what type of affiliate network you want to start with, and today I'm going to show you how to do this with ClickBank, but this entire process is going to be same for all of these platforms. So pretty much if you're going to be using ClickBank, what you want to do is go ahead and select the country that you are from, and also guys, make sure to fill it out correctly, because if you're going to be making money on this platform, they will have to pay it out to you. If you're going to use false information here, the money will not be paid at all, and I'm pretty sure you don't want that to happen. So pretty much just fill in all your true information, like your first name, last name, your phone number, use your best email address for this, and choose a password. Once you fill in all of that, just make sure to read the terms and conditions and click on agree if you're going to agree to them, and then just click on create an account and your account will be created. Then what you want to do is just log right into it. Maybe you can use this button right here, and once you log into your ClickBank account, what you want to do is go straight to the affiliate marketplace. Now this is the place where you can pick up affiliate offers that you can promote and make some money from. For example, let's go with business and investing. I'm going to show you how to do this for a finance niche, because pretty much this is one of the best selling niches out there besides weight loss and relationships. So pretty much this is how it's going to look like. If you're going to be here for the first time, you may be scared by all these prices that you can see right here. For example, for one sale of this product right here, which is called Crypto Code, you can receive almost $1,200 just for a single sale. Now this is one of the high ticket offers because it costs very much, but you can always go for some product that has lower commission, which means a lower price as well. For example, right here for the one sale of this product, you will receive a commission of $26. Now if you're a complete beginner just looking to get started, you may want to go for one of these lower priced products, because that way you can see results that much faster. So what you want to do to get the best selling product at the moment is just go to these search results, and you want to rank them by gravity. Just click on gravity high to low, and it's going to show you one of the best selling products right here, and at this time is this one right here, which is called Wood Profits, with a commission of $26.82. and pretty much all you need to do to promote this successfully is just click on promote button, and now you need to fill in your ClickBank nickname. Now if you're new here, you probably may not know where to get your ClickBank affiliate link, so to do that, just go back to ClickBank homepage, and in this toolbar you want to select accounts. You will get to this accounts section, and you can see your ClickBank nickname right here. Pretty much it's possible to create multiple of these, but I'm not doing that, so I'm using just this one right here. So just go ahead and copy that, and if you want to create your affiliate link, you just have to paste it or type it into this place where it says nickname account. Then pretty much you can skip this tracking ID part, you will not be needing that, and then just click on create a hop link. Now you will get your very own affiliate link that you can promote, and if somebody is going to make a purchase of the product through your affiliate link, you're going to get paid. So pretty much what you want to do is just copy that and then just save it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Now pretty much I like using this small notepad for that, which is built into my MacBook, but you can just go ahead and paste it into any notepad or any text editor whatsoever. Pretty much the entire reason for this is that you can get this link without having to coming back to ClickBank. Now once you have your affiliate link ready, all you need to do now is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic to it, and once somebody's going to make a sale through your affiliate link, you will get paid this commission right here. Now pretty much what happens is they're going to be directed to the sales page of this product, which is going to be doing all the selling for you. You can see every product on ClickBank has its own sales page, and all you need to do is just drive the most amount of relevant interested traffic to it through your affiliate link, and once they're going to go through the sales page and decide to buy the product because they have come to the sales page using your affiliate link, you will get the commission for this product. That's the entire process that you need to do, but it's a little bit more tricky than that, okay? You just grab your affiliate link, drive traffic to it, then you get paid. But if you don't know how to do that efficiently, you will not see any sales at all and you may get discouraged. Also, one of the good pointers is the gravity of the product, and in this case I want to show you this with this simple wood profits product, which has a gravity of 14.88. But if you're going to check out some other niches, for example, let's go to health and fitness, you can see that some of these are incredibly high gravity score, which means they are getting a lot more sales. Now, because they are getting that much sales, that means there's a high competition for them. Many people are promoting this product, so you have to choose between the right product and the right traffic source depending on how much money you want to be making. Because obviously you can get sales with this product right here, which has a payout of $138, but so many people are promoting this that the market may get saturated. So pretty much once you pick your product, you got your affiliate link, all you need to do now is just go through the sales page yourself to see what you are going to be promoting, because you need to grab some key points from the product. Now one of the easiest ways to promote this is to be sending emails to potential customers, and to do that the easiest way possible without having to invest any money of your own is just simply go to Google and you want to search for this website right here. Type in Hercules, hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this website that's called Hercules.com. This is like a free mailer that you can use to reach over 300,000 people with your email advertisement completely for free without having to invest anything. You can see right here this site is serving over 336 members, so literally you will get access to all these people that you can contact via free email, and literally in just a couple of minutes you can send out thousands of emails doing this. Now pretty much to get started, what you want to do is just sign up, go through this application form. It's nothing complicated. All you need to do is just fill in your first name, last name, where did you hear about us. You can say you heard about Hercules on Andy Caddwell's YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Then also choose your username, password, and also make sure to use not your primary Gmail address for this, because you will be receiving a lot of emails from Hercules just as well, and you don't want your main inbox to be spammed by them. So just go ahead and create another Gmail account just for this, type that in there, and then just pretty much click on if you agree to the terms of service, click on I'm not a robot, and create your account. Once you do that, you need to log into it, and once you log into your Hercules account, don't get discouraged by the number of ads they are running on their website. For example, right away you can see this ad has popped up on me asking me to confirm my email address, even if I did that already, but this is just another advertisement. Okay, they're going to have lots of clickbaity ads on their website, because pretty much if you're not going to be paying for any of this service, they have to have some way to make money to keep this site running. So pretty much what you want to do is ignore all of these ads and then just click on this Hercules logo, and you will be taken to the advertisement create. Now you can also skip this part and just go straight to submit ads, and you get to see a lot more advertisements. So just go ahead and click on the X button to close them, because you want to get to this section where it says submit daily email/web ad. Just click on that and then make sure to skip through this ad just as well. Click on continue to add mailers. And also, if you are a complete beginner, just first time visiting this website, you may be overwhelmed by the amount of ads on this website. So just make sure to go through all of them. Don't get discouraged right away. This is completely legitimate website that you can use to reach people, and you want to get to this section right here where it says regular mailer or this credit mailer. Just let me close this ad real quick. You can see there's two forms that you can use to send out emails. Pretty much this one on the right is paid. If you don't want to be investing any money into this, you want to stay away from this one right now, but you want to use this one instead. Make sure to read these rules above, because there's not that much that's forbidden on Hercules, but you also need to make sure to not do anything that's forbidden in these rules. Then just go to this add mailer, and pretty much it has three parts. It has a subject line, a test URL, and a add body. This is like a regular email that you are going to be sending out, and all you need to do is just create the most enticing text out there. Now to do that very easily without having to think yourself, what you can do is just simply go to this website right here. I'm pretty sure you have already heard about this this website that's called ChatGPT, because it's like the most discussed thing out there right now. But lately there have been some better tools that you can use instead of ChatGPT, and one of those tools is this one right here that's called WriteSonic. Just go to Google, type in there WriteSonic, and go to this first website that says writesonic.com, and I highly recommend that you use this one instead of ChatGPT because it's somehow better. ChatGPT is good for many stuff like doing your math homework or finding cure for cancer, but if you want to create a quality sales email, I would recommend using this tool instead. So pretty much just click on start writing for free, then just click on ChatSonic and it will be the exact same thing as ChatGPT but better. All you need to do now is just write there something like, hey, can you write me a promotion email for ClickBank product Wood Profits ? And then just hit enter, and in a couple of seconds it's going to generate this email that you can send out via Hercules to promote this product. Now pretty much the entire point of sending this email is to get as many people as possible to this sales page of the product, so you don't need to make it too complicated, but it has to have certain points. For example, it needs to address what this product is about, and it also has to contain the affiliate link. So pretty much just copy this email, go back to Hercules, paste it into the mailer body, and let me just stretch this out so it's going to be more visible, so you can actually see what I'm doing right here. Then just pretty much you want to customize this. For example, you want to leave this part where it says name in these brackets right here, because it's going to be converted to the name of the recipient of the email in their email inbox. And all you need to do is right here is just change your name into something like best regards by Andy Caddwell. Okay, that's the body of the email. Now I'm going to go back to WriteSonic and I'm going to ask it, please write me a title for this email. Just hit enter on that and it's going to generate this pretty little title. So I'm just going to copy that, go back to Hercules, paste it into the subject line. So this is the title of the email, and now you need to embed it with your affiliate link. Just go to the notepad or wherever you have saved your affiliate link from ClickBank, paste it in there just like that. And also, just for good measure, you can write something like this into the body of the email. To check out Wood Profits, click here. Paste the link in the body of the email just like that, and this is pretty much everything you need to do. Then just click on submit ad, and this email is going to be submitted to 1,000 members. Now you can do this for 1,000 people every single hour. All you need to do is just copy the email that you have sent, save it in some text editor or something like that, and every hour come back to Hercules, send out the email. And if you're going to do this like 6 times every day, you can reach 6,000 people completely for free. Now with affiliate marketing, it's about numbers and consistency. The more people you drive to the sales page using these promotional emails, the more people you get to the sales page, the higher the possibility they will make a sale. But it's entirely possible you will not see some sales in the first couple of days. All you need to do is just stay committed, do this process like in a couple of minutes in the morning. Just go to ClickBank affiliate marketplace, you can choose different products. You can go, for example, into the health and fitness niche and try to promote some weight loss products right here. Pretty much you want to do this for as many of these products as possible that you're comfortable with promoting. Just ask AI to write you a short introduction email, put it to Hercules, embed it with your affiliate link, and send out those emails. Now this is like a general blueprint how affiliate marketing works for complete beginners, but there are many hidden tricks and shortcuts out there that you can use to greatly improve your chance of success, because it's all about finding the edge these days. Now pretty much if you want to see how I'm making over $6,000 with affiliate marketing without showing my face, without this YouTube channel, or without any social media at all, just go to the first link in the video description, check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you, and if you feel like that's something that you may be interested in, make sure to fill out the application form, and I'm looking forward to see you there. Now if you want to see some more money making content, just try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.